Hey, what's up, besties? It's your girl, Elaine Michelle, and I'm back with another video. Oh, how I've missed you. Did you miss me? I missed you. I have been sick, so if you guys didn't know, I posted it on my Instagram. If you guys aren't following me on Instagram, I don't know why not. But I was actually sick. I had the flu, and they tested me for strep, and I had that too. So your girl was just down and out in these streets. I did have some videos that I could have posted, like quiet as it's kept. But the way corporate America works, you know, if you off work, you need to be off from everything. They don't understand life. So with that being said, that's why this video is just a smidget late, and I'm still trying to pump out everything else, but you know, we're gonna make it work. We're gonna try to get these coins. So watch all of these ads is about to pop up. It might be one popping up now. Wait about 2 more minutes, might be another one. Yeah, I'm about to hit y'all with them big channel ads because your girl need to gain her coins back for that week out in post. I'm just saying, this is my way of making my little extra coin too, okay? So on this channel, you're gonna find money management tips. That's basically what I do, is teach you how to manage your money, how to manage your time, how to organize yourself and organize chaos, however you want to call that, and just how to be on top of things by taking control of your money. Thank you, air fryer. So I'm going to teach you guys today more about cash envelopes, how I use my cash envelopes, and how they can benefit you. So if this is your first time, make sure you click that subscribe button as well as the notification bell so that you don't miss any more of my videos. And if it's not, then what up, bestie? We back at it. We back at it. Hey, let's go. Hey. Alright, you guys, so I am going to be putting my cash envelopes inside of my planner, my little LV planner here. And I think I showed you guys, I already like had everything set up or whatever, and I don't know if I even posted that video. I set it up and whatever. Anyway, so we're gonna go to the budget part, and I have a like thing here that is for my cash envelope. So the same thing I was doing before, but it has its own wallet, and that's why I like using this one. So now everything is in its own little wallet case and all of that jazz. All right, so this is for the 2/15 paycheck. So we should have $390 for our cash envelopes that we have, and then we have sinking funds that are separate. All right, so let's make sure we have what we need. So that is 50, and 50 is 100. We're gonna get me together today, y'all. Together today. Okay, so that is 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 60, 80, 2. So that makes $300 because we're at 1, 2, and then 3. And then we just need $90. So 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, and 90. That did that because some people think I can't count. No, I did that because I be tearing up some stuff. I will tear up some counting of some money, y'all. Like, woo, that's all that Sunday school that I had in all that practice from Sunday school, and here I am still tearing up money. All right, so let's go ahead and start stuffing our envelopes. Now, if you guys watch my recap from January, I did end up with some extra leftover money, and it was really exciting. I'm so excited about that, and I was able to put that over into my debt payoff type thing. And so I'm hoping to do the same thing again. I like to see what I can eliminate and, you know, what's going to be beneficial for me. I just like to see how I can save a little bit of the coin. All right, so we started off our balance at the beginning of the month. We always start out with 0, and then this is what I had left. This is what I put in there for the last paycheck, and then now we're going to stuff it for 2/15. All right, so for our groceries, we're still at $120. I'm doing really good with that because I am still meal planning beforehand. I do my meal plan for 2 weeks now versus 1 week, and then when I go grocery shopping, that way I don't have to grocery shop every single week, or if I do have to grocery shop, I just am picking up like extra things. So this 120 has really been working for me and the Bubba Bear. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 makes 120. So we'll put 120 over here, and let's get our groceries. So what I did in here was I stuffed I stuffed all of the cash envelopes that I was using before. I put them inside of these little plastic containers that I got from containers. Are these containers? These little plastic slidey things. That sounds better. That I got from Amazon. And so I thought this would be really good and easy because, again, I'm using it as a wallet. And then something else I could do is like stick coupons down in here, or anything I needed to keep, gift cards, things like that could go in their, you know, respective category, so that I could always have everything right there together. So I really like this system. It has been working very well. Like, this is my wallet, it's my money management type thing, and I really love it. All right, so that is the groceries. Okay, so let me see if I can turn the page. You don't have to turn the page. All right, y'all know what song that was? Bobby Valentino. Where is he? Last time I seen him was on Love It. Okay, sorry, random. Okay, so PC over here is for personal care. So I still have that at 70. Last time I went and got a massage, and that was amazing. It was amazing. And so I may, you know, save my little coinage and get another massage. That might be a whole thing out here. So we're gonna take this 50 and this 20, and that's gonna put us at the $70 again for our personal care. I may do that. I think I want to go to the H2O bar, and at the H2O bar they give you like oxygen, and they have like a water massage thing. So I might try that because it's in my budget, because I got $70. If not, then I'll just roll it over. It's not a necessity. It's just something I do to take care of myself and do things for me. All right, so eating out, we are still at $50. Now, when I do my eating out, I like to break it down into 10s or 5s with whatever I can. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I'm gonna take these 2 5s right here and break it down now. So we have $50 here. This is usually money I use for around my lunch break. Yeah, mostly lunch break. And then like on days where we have church, stuff like that, like I try to use this money, but mostly it's just like lunch money and stuff, because that's where I find myself eating out the most. And I'm hoping to kind of combat that with this little thing, because I'm going to go see, I'm going to the Millennium concert, and I got backstage this time. I don't know if y'all remember, last time I didn't get backstage passes, like, because, you know, I had, anyway, but I got backstage passes this time, and so I want to be a little bit fit when I go back there. I ain't trying to like drop a whole bunch, but I'm trying to drop a little bit more than I had. So I'm gonna work on this eating out and stuff. So that's a goal of mine, so I could be fine by the time I go to the Millennium tour, in case somebody wants to take me home. All right, so we have $50 here. Okay, now we're gonna get into our gas, and that has been staying pretty low. I've been able to keep doing the same method of the $60, and it just works because honestly, I'm just being honest, like gas is like $1.99, so I haven't even been using my Kroger points, and I need to, but it's been $1.99 cheaper other places, so I'm like, I'll just wait. But this has really been working for me. The $60 is very standard for my car. I'm hoping man will put some gas in my car again, because I did save a little bit on that. I had somebody put gas in my car. I was so excited, so I'm hoping somebody will do that again. I'm gonna have to look like a damsel in distress when I go get gas, because that might be very helpful to getting my gas bill paid. Okay, I'm just talking crazy. Anyway, so that's the gas there. So we have $60 that we put in there, and that lasts me for 2 weeks. So when you're putting together your budget for your gas, really be strategic with what you're putting in your tank. Like, I know that it takes me $30, so that lasts me a whole week and maybe a couple of days. And I'm strategic with my driving plans, where I'm going, how I'm doing, what I got going on. I'm looking at everything ahead of time, so that I'm not making moves and not really making it make sense, because you can have the best car and you can still be running through your gas because you're not planning out your trips. So a lot of people ask me, like, why do you keep that in a cash envelope? Because literally you can overspend by not paying attention. So because I give my gas bill a name, I give my money for my gas a name, like I give it a home, I tell it where it's going, it makes it easier for me to make sure that I'm staying on task. Like, I know I plan my trips out when I go to my brother's house. May not seem like that far away, but it does count when you go back and forth, going to basketball games, going here or there, anywhere. Like, it's just good to be mindful of, you know, what it takes to get there, so that you just aren't being frivolous with your gas money unless you got somebody paying for your gas. That's all I'm saying. Okay, so household items, we are keeping that at $40 again. It is time for me to buy, no. Last time I grabbed everything because I had a bunch of things on sale. So we're gonna see if this $40 is going to switch over, because the last paycheck, I actually went, I got Tide, I got Downy, I got a booster, and I got my toiletries and everything, because I had like if you spend $50 you get $10 type thing. So that works like very, very well. So we're gonna keep that at the $40. And household items are just going to be like your detergents, your dish soap, anything that you have to use for your household, and you set your budget by what you actually spend. It's a 2-person household here, which is just me and Bubba. He goes through, you know, his uniforms and stuff. I'm having to watch that a lot. But for the most part, we could really survive off of, you know, 1 thing of Tide a month and 1 thing of Downy. Like the big thing of Downy usually lasts us about a month and a half. And toilet paper, that usually lasts about a month. But I'm like weird, so I like to make sure I have enough toilet paper here. I don't know. I guess I feel like maybe it'll be a toilet paper like shortage or something in the world, but I'll be prepared because I'll have it. But you find those types of things on sale. So when you first start making your budget for your cash envelopes, you know, start it out with what you normally spend, and then find ways that you can kind of tweak it so that you aren't like overspending in that area, or you aren't buying things that you don't need. There's no sense of literally, like, I'm talking about myself now, thank you, preaching to me. There's no sense of me having $1 million worth of toilet paper and paper towel in my closet, and I need that money for something else. Like, that could be used for another bill. It could be used to pay debt down, things like that. So just being more mindful of where you're spending your money and how you're spending it will help you. And that's why I really, really love these here cash envelopes. All right, and then my fun money, I'm keeping at $50 because I want to go to the movies, and I may want to go somewhere else. I don't know, but I'm gonna keep it at $50 and just see what we have going on there, because sometimes I do this. I will combine my fun money and my personal care money to take care of whatever it is I want to do. I have done that in the past, but fun money is literally like anything I want to do. If a planner supply, like something planner wise comes out, I spend my money on whatever I want to because it's mine and I spend it. But this is a category. Fun money category, personal care categories are ones that I tweak and I move around. I lessen the score on these ones because they're not as essential to my life. Personal care is, but I can do some things that are, you know, least costly. But fun money, you know, I could like bend down on that because really I like having fun at my house. Like Netflix and chill with myself is all day, every day. I love it. So yeah, here are our cash envelopes. So we know all of these together normally is $3.90. So what we'll do on our review, we'll come back and see what we have left from our cash envelopes all together, checking the categories that we have. We're going to use a spending tracker so we can keep track of what we've been spending when we use the cash envelope. I think that's a good way to make sure you're on track with your budget for your cash envelopes. Don't just, you know, keep using the same thing and not paying attention to it. If your gas money isn't making it, then you need to switch and you need to change it. If you only got $390 to allocate to different things, then you figure out what you need to tweak and twerk so that it makes sense for you. So maybe you take the money from personal care and bump that down to $50, so that gives you an extra $20 for gas money, or an extra $20 for groceries. Maybe you don't do fun money this time and you move everything into groceries because you need to stock your refrigerator. There's different things that you can do to work with the money that you have. So you start with your balance and then you work your way down on what you can do. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have enjoyed stuffing my cash envelopes with me. Let me know down below, what are some of your things that you've run into with your cash envelopes envelopes. Do you feel like you're being more successful now that it's a new year? Kind of have a better understanding? I want to know down below so that, you know, we can share our ideas. We a whole community, a family, a tribe, a gang out here, and we're trying to make sure that everyone reaches their maximum potential. So if you're having any struggles or any issues, type them down below. Let's talk about it. Let's start the conversation, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Make sure you hit that like button, make sure you hit the subscribe button, as well as a little bell, because that lets you know that Michelle is back, okay, with another video. And I will catch you guys in my next one. Mwah! KK, bye.